In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website with Wix in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in and get started right away. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Wix website. Once you're there, if you haven't already created an account, this is your moment. Sign up or log in with your existing credentials. It's super quick, and by logging in, you ensure that your progress is saved along the way. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen, and you should see an option labeled Design Site. Click on that. This is your gateway to starting your web design journey with Wix. It's where the real magic begins. As you step into the design area, you will see several methods to start designing your website. Wix gives you a flexible approach. You can use its intuitive drag-and-drop builder, or you might let Wix's Artificial Design Intelligence, or ADI, take the lead. Choose whatever fits your needs and expertise best. If you prefer creative control, the editor is fantastic. For a quicker start, consider using ADI, which does much of the heavy lifting for you. Once you've decided on your design approach, your next step is to click on Pick a Template. Wix offers a plethora of templates catered to various industries and personal preferences. Browse through the library and find a template that resonates with your vision. Once you've made your selection, click on it, and then hit Edit. Now on to the fun part, customizing your website. Here you can tweak every detail to match your preferences. Change colors, fonts, images, and more to give your site its own unique flair. This step allows your personality or brand to shine through your online presence. To further enhance your site's capabilities, head over to the App Market. Here you'll find a multitude of applications that can add functionality to your website. Whether you need a booking system, an online store, or social media integrations, there's something for everyone. Browse the options and integrate what suits your needs. An often overlooked aspect is setting up your domain and SEO. Ensure your site has a catchy domain name and use Wix's SEO tools to help optimize your site's visibility on search engines. This step is crucial for attracting visitors and enhancing your site's reach. Before you launch your masterpiece, click on the Preview button at the top right corner of your screen. This lets you see how the world will view your site. Tweak any final elements if necessary, ensuring everything looks spot on. Finally, when you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to go live. Click Publish, and your Wix website will be live on the internet, ready to be seen by the world. Congratulations! You've just created a stunning website with Wix. Thank you for following along today, and I hope you enjoy your new online presence.